Hello, welcome back to Life of My Wife. We have an unboxing to do. I'm going to...
What vlogmas day is it, Kelly?
It is vlogmas 13. I have no clue what day it is ever.
And you know what? The nice thing about this year is I'm actually in all the videos up before Christmas.
Yeah.
Well, I was last year too, just in the hospital.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. And actually, it was a year ago today, I was back in the hospital.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. So I'm going to turn the camera over that way. Kevin's going to tell us a little bit about the company, how it works, and show you what we got. And one more thing. This is not a sponsored video.
No, it is not. But I don't know what they have in the States. I don't know if they got a Chrisco US. I have no idea. It's been around for years and years and years.
Yeah.
They also partner. It's also a partnership with another company. So you can do this with kind of any products through the Chrisco website. It goes to another website. So anyways, this is Chrisco Christmas hamper. So what it is you pick a hamper and you pay per week, by month, however we do it per week though. It comes out every Friday, Monday, whatever. This one here, the first time we did it was 200 and something. Anyways, if you do it over the full period, it was $5.06, but because we had started later in the year, it was $7.06, something like that. We have signed up for next year. We're already starting to pay. I think we're paying like $10 a week.
But we got a larger.
We got a larger one. Now, are you paying a little bit more than if you went grocery shopping? Yes. Okay, because obviously it's a company. They're making money. There's interest. That's whatever.
It's not a huge amount, though.
Huge amount. So, but we still do it because in that way, right before Christmas, I don't have to go grocery shopping.
Well, and this is our first time actually doing this.
Yes, a friend of Kelly's used to do it all the time, every year.
And we're liking the idea, so we're gonna probably start it as an annual thing.
Well, we did.
Yeah.
I've already done it for next year.
So.
Yeah. Okay. So I am going to put this one box down. And we are going to start with the green box. So the green box is all the dry, I think non-frozen stuff, because it says here, green box, keep dry, red box, keep frozen. Now this came up here later, showed up today, this morning. Yeah, this is all the dry. Okay. Here we go. Ooh. And we got more chocolate. Some Aero milk chocolate truffles.
Yum.
I'm just going to kind of start putting everything over on the side there. Ooh, Triscuits. Oh, we love the Triscuits.
Yep. Ooh, we just made egg salad too, and those would be good.
Oh, it would have been, yeah. Okay.
That's the gravy we love.
That's for something that's in the other box.
Yeah.
Yes, the clubhouse is what we bought. All right, we just bought a boatload. So friends of ours bought a whole bunch when we couldn't get out of the house, and then we bought more. Where did we find it for a buck a piece? Was it Dollar Tree or Dollar?
Yeah.
Dollar Tree, I think. Whoop.
Turtles.
And so I had already bought some of these. They were on sale at Safeway?
I don't know.
No. Oh, no. It was a Real Canadian Superstore.
What is that old commercial? Turtles, rah, rah, rah.
Rah, yeah.
Yeah.
Tetley tea.
Yum.
We don't drink.
I like
used
tea.
to,
But
yeah, but
I haven't for a while, but
oh, it's kind of like living in our house, mixed nuts.
Yep.
Okay.
I'm the mixed. He's the nuts.
Yeah.
Spaghetti noodles.
Use spaghetti. So, funny thing. Okay. So, years ago, I started doing whole wheat pasta.
I still prefer whole wheat.
I like whole wheat, but I started comparing all the ingredients between white and whole wheat. There isn't a lot of difference, especially on the carb side. because that's what I have to worry about.
But the reason I like whole wheat is because I find the whole wheat not as heavy on my stomach.
Okay, so what the difference between white flour and then the whole wheat side, it's how it affects your sugar level. So whole wheat's more, when you eat it, it's like this. White goes up like this, but the carbs are the same. All right, something that we use, look at that.
Oh yeah.
It's quick.
Stovetop stuff.
We make our own, but we like having this.
Yeah,
yeah.
We can make meatloaf with that.
So obviously they still sell it because remember the big
controversy.
But I think it got switched. Aunt Jemima made syrup. We needed some too. We were getting low.
Table syrup, not maple syrup.
Well, table syrup is not. And we got some Allen's apple
We don't
juice.
drink apple juice, but it is good. The apple juice is good to make a ham in.
Yeah, but I might drink it over the holidays.
Yeah.
Get some orange juice. Kelly drinks orange. See, I can have a very, very little bit of orange juice. I cannot drink it regularly because of the sugar content. It just rocks. Like the 25 grams of sugar in the apple juice and 23 grams of orange juice. Yeah.
So they're both bad.
Well, yeah. Cranberry coffee.
Oh, that's my favorite.
It's 20 grams of sugar, so I like drinking that. I mean,
oh, the cranberry is my favorite.
I can drink it in moderation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, the cranberry is my favorite.
Yeah. Ooh. Pringles. 2 cans of regular and 2 cans of sour cream. Oh.
We have a little boy that wants his chair.
Mine up.
Here. Brody, can you say hi?
Oh. Coffee. Nescafe Rich, double filtered, full flavor. It's instant though.
Oh well.
I'm not an instant coffee guy.
You can take it to the food bank actually.
No, it's just a one-off. I'll keep it just for some spaghetti sauce and then our cranberries for that is it for that box. Woohoo! Now for our frozen and meat one. Yes, it is not exactly light. Just cuts like butter.
And the thing is, with all of this and the meat and everything, we would have paid pretty close to the 200 and something in the grocery store.
Yeah.
Like, not exactly, but pretty close.
Oh yeah.
Brody's not tall enough. He's trying to
Buddy.
say, look, Daddy, I'm trying.
I know. Oh. Okay, so we got some mini chicken and vegetable pies. I thought we were supposed to get meat pies. Oh.
That's maybe on next year's.
No, I didn't even look at next year's list. Some frozen fruit berries.
Yum.
It's funny, we haven't done these frozen fruit berries in a while because Hannah's not here. Hannah used to use them for different
We'll
drinks
find.
and stuff.
You know what? Maybe I'll make jam.
Some of Kelly's favorite, some crispy vegetable spring
Oh,
rolls.
I love those. Maybe we'll make jam with that fruit.
Yeah? Yeah? Ooh, mix. You'd always use that. Mix veggies.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
California mix.
Are they both California?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, we could have used that last night.
Yes, we could have. We'll have to use it tonight.
Yeah. Lean ground. Oh, it's frozen though. We don't even know what we're having. Well, you want probably a burger tonight.
I do.
Yeah.
So there's, what is it, 2 pounds? Yeah.
Yeah. It's 2 pounds. Yeah. Yeah, depending what, typically, $4 a pound here in Canada. So this stuff is still frozen.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Ooh.
dessert for
nice,
Christmas.
Yeah, nice thing is they can all go in the freezer. Ooh, restaurant style wedgies.
Yeah. As long as you don't get a wedgie while you're eating the wedgies.
Yeah.
Yum.
So as I'm looking through this, honestly, I'd say, you know, maybe a couple $100. But, you know. Hey.
What is those?
Oh, sorry. Fries.
Oh.
They'll go downstairs because we got some up here.
I love them.
These will be great done in our air fryer. Ooh, some vanilla ice cream. I had ice cream for a while. Sounds good. Couldn't be corn. No, it has to be green tea.
That's okay in soups and stuff.
Yeah. All right. Oh, it's got a handle on it. The piece de resistance. Let go.
That's quite the turkey.
That is quite the turkey. Hey, buddy. That is a butterball young turkey. So there you go, folks. That is our... Now, next year, it's going to be double this.
Yes, we got a much larger one.
We need to get a larger one.
So, but this would be close to 200 in a grocery store.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Yeah. Yeah.
So, you know, maybe.
But it's the convenience, right? That you do it over the year and you just don't, you know, it's $10 a week, so I don't really notice it.
And especially this Christmas, where we don't really care to go shopping as much.
No.
So, you know, now we've got almost everything for Christmas dinner.
Yeah.
So, are you finding anything,
and I don't
Brody?
know. So it came pure later, but I'm pretty sure it's all done. Like in all the big cities, probably have distribution centers.
Right.
But I'm impressed because everything is like, and they use no ice. They need to use ice.
It's styrofoam, right?
It's styrofoam and everything. Everything worked out great.
Yeah.
And they didn't use any freezer packs or anything. No.
That'd be.
I think that's why. So with Chrisco, they want people home.
Yeah.
To make sure people are here when they deliver it. Because
Yeah.
they don't put ice packs and stuff. It's not like our food ones that we get where they put ice packs and stuff. But I think with the big turkey and all the cold, like it just
the turkey itself was the ice pack.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, and that would be a good box to keep. For, you know, if we do need to pack up some frozen stuff for some reason.
I don't think so, but I'll keep it. I'll put it in the stack of our
Amazon boxes.
Come down. I'm sitting now.
So, anyways.
So that's it. That is Vlogmas Day 13. Well, at least the Chrisco unveil. We may do something else later today. Who knows? I don't know. It's Sunday. It's a lazy day.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I gotta get this frozen stuff downstairs and in the freezer.
Sounds good. We'll see everybody in a bit. So yesterday, in our Vlogmas Day 12, I had picked up these little gingerbread wooden pieces at Value Village. So this is what I'm doing to them. So I got them all painted, and now I'm going to make some clothes. So I will bring you back as I do this. Look at how my gingerbread men are starting to look. They're so cute. There's the little girlies. I haven't got theirs done yet. Yeah, they're starting to look cute. All right, I'll bring you back on when I get a little more done. So, oops, I forgot to turn the camera on, and I just kept working away. Here are all my little gingerbread. They're so cute. I just love them. Yeah. So, and then Kevin's over there on the computer. And Brody's up there in the window. And over here, we have supper in the slow cooker, but I can't tell you what it is because it's cooking with Kevin on Thursday. So you'll have to come back on Thursday to find out what we had for supper tonight. We're getting a little bit of snow out there, not too much, but... All right, well, that's what I've done for today. I'm gonna call it a day and we'll talk to you tomorrow.